I'm now joined by Sean Libri, the Head of Sales and Marketing at Swisslog here in Australia. Sean, always great to see you. How are you?
Hi, Lawrence. I'm great. Great to talk to you again, as always.
Thank you. Perfectly positioned for this discussion. Now, Sean, tell us about Swisslog and your role in the supply chain.
Yeah, thanks, Lawrence. Swisslog is a leader in the supply of logistics automation, using robotics to further improve the needs of our customers and their facilities within the supply chain. We've obviously existed in Australia for more than 25 years, and we're a leader in that field.
Wonderful. Now, you're ideally placed to see a lot of these changes. What do you think are some of the key factors affecting the industry right now, Sean?
Yeah, thanks, Lawrence. Look, I've been around a little while in this industry, and I don't think I can remember a time where there has been so much change being seen by the industry. I think there are a number of drivers of that. You and I have talked in the past even about, the availability of land and the availability of labour off the back of COVID. So I think there are some real challenges in the market right now that people face. But I also think, never can I remember a time when there were so many new businesses in this space providing solutions to customers. So I think that's testimony to the fact that this industry is at a very unique time in this country. It's growing rapidly, and I think people within the supply chain are focused at the moment more so than ever on how they can do things better with what they have.
I agree, Sean. I think I speak to a lot of people across supply chain and the automation area, warehousing, distribution. There's a whole buzz and vibe about it right now. And, the whole purpose of today's discussion is, Swisslog are a really big part of CEMAT coming up in a couple of weeks, right over your shoulder there at the Dome at Olympic Park.
Yes, that's right. I'm pleased to be coming to you live from Sydney Olympic Park. Right over my shoulder is the venue for CEMAT. And of course, CEMAT this time around is in our backyard. And so, yes, Swisslog is a major contributor to the event, and we're really excited about having the event just across the road. It's been a while since there's an event of this caliber here in Sydney within this industry. And so I think we're extremely excited about that. We've got a lot of customers and future customers that have already told us they're attending the event. And I know that just listening to the media over the weekend and seeing the advertisements out in the media, I think it promises to be just a fantastic show, and we're really excited about it.
Yeah, we can't wait. And, I think Swisslog are an important part because I know you're a major partner for the event, but also from leading the way, there's some really cool products that you're about to demonstrate and display too, right?
Yeah, that's right, Lawrence. I think it's going to be a very exciting show for a number of reasons. There are a number of new technologies that we're bringing to market at CEMAT, from our carry pick solution right through to, we're demonstrating AutoStore. We will have our Cyclone shuttle on the stand as well. And there are a number of other technologies that we're offering. And of course, it's a new Swisslog. We've launched a new branding this year, earlier in the year, and that's already launched at a couple of shows overseas that I was fortunate enough to attend to. But I think, this is the first time that we'll launch that new branding in the market here in Australia. So yeah, that's a really exciting time to be.
Great, and quite literally in your backyard there, right in the precinct.
Exactly. This place is going to be buzzing over the next 5 weeks. We've got the FIFA Women's World Cup across the road, obviously starting later this week. And then, yes, of course, we've got CEMAT next week. And so I think it'll be a great time to be at Sydney Olympic Park, which is a real focal point within Sydney. We're right here in the centre of Sydney. And that really allows us to service our customers, really, really easily from here. And so we're excited to bring a lot more people into Sydney Olympic Park over the next week or two.
Awesome, can't wait, and looking forward to catching up with you again in person, Sean. Next week we'll be there at CEMAT with you and covering all the action. So congratulations to Swisslog again for being such a major part of CEMAT, and look forward to seeing all those product releases and all the innovations next week.
Yeah, fantastic. Thanks, Lawrence. We look forward to that also. One thing I didn't mention is that we'll also have our item pick product being demonstrated. And whilst it won't be on the stand, it will actually be demonstrated here in our office. And so those people that attend the show will be lucky enough to pre-register and come and see our item pick robot interface to the AutoStore solution in operation right here in our office. So yeah, it's going to be an exciting time, really exciting time.
I remember seeing the video of that, and that's pretty cool stuff, very impressive.
Yeah, and look, we look forward to showing it to you in person next week, Lawrence, and be sure to register online if anybody else would like to come and see.
Absolutely, we'll do. I'll take you up on that for sure. Thanks, Sean. Great to see you as always, and we'll see you next week.
All right, Lawrence, you too, and great chatting as always.
Likewise. Cheers.